Hello students, today we will continue our topic simple present tense. In our last video we have discussed about the simple present tense that for the with the singular subject we use with singular subject we use verb 1 first form of the verb plus s or es, and when the plural subject with plural subject we use v1 only. Which are plural subjects? We, they, I, you, we, you, they. And when the subject is singular we use v1 plus s or es. Singular subjects as like he, she, it, or any name. Okay, now today we will discuss that how to make negative sentence in the simple present tense. When we want to make negative sentences, that time we will use subject. First of all, in the sentence we start the sentence with subject. After subject we will write do not or does not plus verb 1. Do or does will be our helping verb. Do or does will be our helping verb. After subject we will write do not or does not plus verb 1 plus object. With do also we will use verb 1. With does also we will use verb 1. Now we will discuss that where we use do or where we will use does. With singular subject, when the subject is singular, I have told you already, when the subject is singular, he, she, it, or any name, these are singular subjects. When the subject is singular we use does. That time we will use does plus not plus verb 1. Or when the subject is plural subject I, we, you, they, that time we will use do not. With plural subject we will use do not plus verb 1. So some examples are there. Number 1, this is the example for positive sentence. He walks to school with his friends. He walks to school with his friends. He walks to school with his friends. Now for the interrogative sentences, he is a singular subject. I have told you already. Then when the subject is singular we will write does. Okay, we will use which helping verb? We will use does the helping verb. He does. After does helping verb we will write not. He does not verb 1. He does not walk to school with his friends. Now the same sentence we will make with the plural subject. I always count in plural subject. I do not walk to school with my friends. In both sentences beta, either we have used does or we have used do. With both verbs, with both helping verbs, you have observed that we have used verb 1. Walk, we haven't written here walks. Okay, because when we are using helping verb do or does, with both helping verb we will write verb 1. Clear? Here we will not write with verb s or es. When we are using do or does for the negative or for the interrogative, we will not use verb 1 plus s or es. We will use only and only verb 1. He does not walk to school with his friends. I do not walk to school with his friends. More examples are there. Number 2, his father goes to work by car. His father goes to work by car. his father. Father is a one person singular, that's why with v1 s or es. This is a positive sentence. Now if we want to make it negative, then what we will use? We will use help. We will use helping verb. Which helping verb? Do or does. Now from both of them, which helping verb we will use? Because the subject is singular, that's why which helping verb we will use? We will use does. Okay, his father does not. Now we will use v1 main verb, go to work by car. Now same sentence we will write with the, okay, his father does not go to work by car. Number 3, she brushes her teeth every day. She brushes her teeth every day. Now subject is singular, then we will use which helping verb? Does. With both do or does, we will write verb 1. She does not brush her teeth every day. Now the same sentence we will rewrite again with plural subject. We do not brush our teeth every day. With she, singular subject does. With we, plural subject do. Not is same, brush is also same. Verb 1. Clear? Next, some more examples are there for it. A tiger runs very fast. A tiger. We are talking about one tiger, singular subject. That's why runs. In the question, in the positive sentence, here written s. But for the negative sentence, we will not write s. We will write verb 1. A tiger does. Because tiger is singular, with singular subject we are writing which helping verb? Does. Does not run very fast. Now same sentence we will write with the plural subject. The tigers. Now there are more tigers, then we will write do. When subject is plural, we will write do. The tigers do not run very fast. Number 5, we sell vegetables. We sell vegetables. Here you can see already verb 1 written, because we are talking about plural subject. Then no need to change the verb, because in negative sentences, whether we are using do or does, with both helping verbs we are using verb 1. We do not, subject is plural, then verb do. We do not sell vegetables. Now we will make it with singular subject. He does not, because subject is singular, then does. He does not sell vegetables. Next, he studies every night. For the negative, he does not study every night. Subject singular, verb helping verb does, plus verb 1. You, now subject is plural. You is a plural subject. You do not study every night. Next, she goes home. She does not go home. She is a singular subject with singular does, plus verb 1. She does not go home. Now with plural, I do not go home. I is singular, but it is always count in plural subject. I do not go home. She crosses the road every day. She does not cross the road every day. With plural subject, they do not cross the road every day. Next, he works in a bank. He is singular subject. He does not work in a bank. We is a plural subject. We do. We do not work in a bank. Again see, with singular subject with plural subject. With singular subject does, with plural subject do. Other is same, not. Work. Because with both verbs we are using V1. Again we are going to revise it. With singular subject we will write does plus not plus v1 for the negative sentence. In simple present tense, for making negative sentence, we are writing for singular subject does, after does not, after not verb 1. For the plural subject we are using do, after do not, and after not verb 1. Clear to all? I hope you understand. Thank you. Next interrogative that we will discuss in our next video.